Curtain up on the financial stage. Today we're shining the spotlight on Geofin and other undervalued stocks poised for a breakout. Let's delve into the intrigue. First up, Geofin, a giant in digital services, has been showing strong financials with a steady increase in revenue. Yet its stock price remains surprisingly low. The reason? Market sentiment. But remember, perception isn't always reality. Next, consider the dark horses of the stock market. Companies like Tech Mahindra and Tata Motors, undervalued due to market volatility, yet holding strong fundamentals. These stocks are like coiled springs, ready to leap when the market realizes their true worth. Remember, investing is not just about following the herd, it's about finding hidden gems. And Geofin, along with these other stocks, may just be the diamonds in the rough you've been searching for. So, keep an eye on the market, stay informed, and make calculated decisions. The stock market is a game of patience and strategy, not luck. Curtain down.